Today I will explain about how we can able to create the curtain panel wall and the same time how we can get from AutoCAD file, it's mean DW file to Revit file and how we can able to create the pattern in the curtain wall also. Okay, so I just opened my AutoCAD. So here I already create my pattern. Okay, so as usual I can go to file, save as. After that I can go to open the Revit family. Okay, so here I can go to find out the exterior. Exterior I can go to find out the insert, go to cat import and I just import it to DWG. Okay. So now I have to create the design pattern. So I can go back to my create, choose the extrusion. I can go to choose pick line. Okay. So first I can go to find out my rectangular. So I can just lock this one. After that, I can go to find out my pick line to create the shape. Okay, create the shape. Okay, so based on the CAD file, I can apply the lines. Right. So after that, don't forget to remove the CAD file. Okay, so um, so I can remove the CAD file. So this is my Revit file. So I just apply. Okay, some lines are missing. So I can apply it again. Okay, done. Now I can go back to my reference. So here I can go to choose two reference plan here and here, and I can go to annotate to put it EQ, and I can go for the value. Okay, so this is the depth. So I can type D to finalize this one like 50, right? Okay, so I can go to choose this one and this one. Now I can go back to my 3D view. So this is look like this. So if you want, I can reduce it like 20. So it's done now. Okay. So I can just select to go to category, choose it like wood category. So default I can go for duplicate and I can go for panel, and here I can make it the color. Okay. Or I can use any different colors, right? Apply. So I can apply like a wood. Right, perfect. So this is finish. I can apply it. Okay. So when you go to find out your shader, when you go to find out your realistic, you can able to see the reality. Now I can load into my project. Now, as usual, go to wall. Here I can take it from curtain wall. Don't forget the curtain wall. I will keep it 8,000, a little bit high. Okay, so I can go for 4,000. Right now, what happened? I can go back to my 3D. Here I can divide this one 400 by 400 because I create the design also 400 by 400. Right? Okay, got it. Now it's clear. Now you can just select, go to edit, curtain panel. You can choose it, family 2, which I created. See, you can able to see this, how this one is reflecting. Okay. So this is the way you can create the model. Okay. I hope you understand this one. So first of all, you have to create the family and you can able to apply. Okay. So based on the family, it will be working on. Okay. So this drawing I did in CAD and I bring that one to Revit family. Okay. So after that, I just go for the curtain panel and I check it this. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.